Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by to watch. Those who are watching for the first time, thank you for coming, and please remember to hit the subscribe button. Remember to turn on your notifications so that you are always notified on the videos once they come in. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon rice. So I'm in my kitchen already, and please come with me and let's see how we are going to make lemon rice. So what we need first are the ingredients. Of course, you need your cooking oil. You need your cooking oil. I have my cooking oil here. And then you need your rice. I've already cooked the rice. It's 1 cup cooked rice. And then you need mustard seeds. You need turmeric. And then you need green chilies. You also need curry leaves. These are my curry leaves. Half a lemon, because I'm using 1 cup rice. You need half a lemon. And this is sesame oil. So first you're going to heat the oil. So I'll measure 1 tablespoon. Once the oil is ready, I add half teaspoon of mustard seed. So you let the mustard seed pop out. So once it's ready, I add my green chilies and curry leaves. So once they are ready, I will add turmeric, half a teaspoon of turmeric. This is half a teaspoon. So you mix it out. So roast this well. Once it's well roasted, you can also add red chilies, flakes of red chilies, but I don't have that and I don't want it to be so spicy. So once this is done, so this is my rice. When this is ready, you just switch it off. And we add it to our rice. You add that. Remember, we have our lemon that I had squeezed earlier. So to the lemon, we are going to add some half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well in the lemon. So once this is ready, we mix our rice. Add our lemon. This was half a lemon. And mix it out. And then lastly, I'm going to add my sesame oil. I'm adding just 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and then mix it out. Our lemon rice. Thank you for coming with me to the kitchen as we were making our lemon rice. This is how it looks. Looks so good. Let me taste it. It's very tasty, very nice. So you can serve it with any gravy that you have, that you already prepared. And this is very nice, tasty Indian lemon rice. This is an Indian lemon rice that I was trying to make. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it, and please remember to subscribe, remember to hit that notification button, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.